Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is City Knowledge TV. If you are new in my channel, please subscribe to enable you get notifications anytime I upload new videos. This is Helu District in Enugu State. Actually, Helu District is a government secured estate. The government secured the land, then planned what that should be built in the land. Things like estate, hotel, church, offices, so many things in the plan. If you come here, you will see space for church, space for office, space for hospital, space for many things. Then if you have any idea, maybe you want to invest in a hotel, you want to invest in a hospital, you don't have a place actually to build, you can come here, have a deal with government and the management of Helu District. If you look here, you will see estate, very big estate, more than 500 buildings here already built.